Hey guys, and welcome back to Man Time. Today's episode is going to be using the Ford 555 here to come down, grab some of these down trees and pick them up, move them over to where I can cut them up with a chainsaw and also chain some of them up out of this low area that I have down here. So yeah, it's going to be some backhoe work, some chainsaw work, and I'm going to use the bucket on the backhoe to cut myself a path down through all this fill material that I brought up from the dirt side over there. So that's going to it's going to be the episode today. So stick around and welcome to Man Time. think I made the right decision there in using the backhoe to come through here, get these logs up out of here, and then also the ability to get the stumps up out of there, and also move some of this dirt around. It's just kind of the best all-around tool to use out here. So now it's phase 2. Chaining up to these logs and pulling them up out of here. Then we'll get to run some chainsaws. I should have maybe organized these a little bit better. It'd be nice to go ahead and get 2 for 1 here. As I'm pulling one out, I might as well pull 2 out, right? So I think the first step is going to be pull this one over here and then re-choker both of them so I can get 2 at one time. Let's try that. I guess it's time to stop playing around on the equipment and do some real man time work, right? So I've got these that I'm going to cut up with the Husqvarna, and I just want to see real quickly if what's going to be really cool after fixing the wire for the ignition, if it'll start right up after after I kill it. So let's try that out. Killed it. That's fine and good, but will it start right up after killing it like that? That's awesome. All right, let's cut some wood up. Well, guys, that's going to do it for today on Man Time. Got some logs moved up out of here, got some of this dirt moved, got the backhoe exercised a little bit, got some logs for the campfire, and yeah, pretty good Thanksgiving break so far. Nothing's broken. Ran the dozer, got the Husqvarna fixed up so the stop works, although that last time there I still pulled the choke out of habit. So I'm gonna have to start changing my habits on how to shut that saw off. But yeah, really happy with everything today, and thanks for joining me. Thumbs up, subscribe, and get out there, have you some man time too.